Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about Balabolka, a free software that you can use to convert text into speech. First, let's talk about what Balabolka is and why it's useful. Balabolka is a free software that allows you to convert any text into speech, making it a valuable tool for people with visual impairments, language learners, or anyone who wants to listen to a text instead of reading it. Now, let's walk through the steps of how to use Balabolka. Step 1. Download and install Balabolka. To get started, go to the Balabolka website and download the software. Once the download is complete, install it on your computer. Step 2. Open Balabolka and paste the text you want to convert into speech into the text field. You can also type the text directly into the field. Step 3. Choose a voice and adjust the settings. Balabolka offers different voices and languages. You can choose the voice you want and adjust the pitch, speed, and volume of the voice to your liking. You can also choose the type of speech you want, such as male or female, or adjust the speech rate and volume.
Standard dummy text ever since the 1500s, when an unknown printer took a galley of type and scrambled it to make a type specimen book. It has survived not only 5 centuries, but also the leap into electronic typesetting, remaining essentially unchanged. It was popularized in the 1960s with the release of letraset sheets containing lorem ipsum passages, and more recently with
the release of letraset sheets containing lorem ipsum passages, and more recently with desktop publishing software like Aldus PageMaker including versions of lorem ipsum. You can also write.
You can also save the speech in an audio file format and use it later. To do this, click on File on top right menu and go Save Audio File. Or press Alt+S. Choose the location where do you want to save, and press Save button. Balabolka is a very user-friendly software that is easy to navigate. It provides high-quality speech that is natural-sounding and easy to understand. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to use Balabolka. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.